I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 multiplayer. First, navigate to the main menu and select the multiplayer option. You will then see various game modes like Team Deathmatch and Domination. Before jumping into a live match, consider playing a few rounds against bots to get a feel for the controls and maps. This will help you understand movement, aiming, and using your equipment effectively, setting a solid foundation for competitive play. Once in a match, mastering core gameplay mechanics is key. Always be aware of your surroundings and use your minimap. Sprint to cover ground quickly, but remember to slow down and aim down sights when engaging enemies for better accuracy. Utilize your tactical and lethal equipment strategically. A well-placed grenade can clear a room or flush out opponents. In objective modes, prioritize the objective over simply getting eliminations to secure victory for your team. Your loadout is crucial for success. Experiment with different primary and secondary weapons, adding up to 5 attachments to each to optimize their performance. Perks offer passive bonuses, like faster movement or improved stealth, so choose ones that complement your chosen weapons and playstyle. Don't forget your field upgrade, which provides a temporary tactical advantage, and select kill streaks that you can consistently earn to turn the tide of battle in your favor. To truly excel, focus on advanced tactics. Develop strong map awareness, understanding common routes and power positions. Listen for enemy footsteps and gunfire to pinpoint their locations. Teamwork is paramount. Communicate with your squad and work together to control objectives. Don't be afraid to adapt your loadout or strategy mid-match if something isn't working. Consistent practice and learning from every engagement will steadily improve your skills and overall performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.